All right, so you have your little page in the works here. I want to give you a few tips real quickly for old photos. So if you see here, my colors, even though they're both like a black and white image, they're not the same. So when I'm using old images, I always like to come in to photo effects, and I like to pick something that I will use consistently. So black and white, I really love warm black and white for old photos. I think that looks really great. So I'm going to just click apply, and then I'm also going to sharpen it up a little because they're just kind of blurry images. Can you see the difference that makes when I just clicked apply a couple times? And again, you can do that as many times as you want. Obviously, it's going to start, you can see here it's getting grainy, so I'm not going to do that. But you can keep going and push it as far as you want to get the look that you want. So I'm going to just come in here and do a photo effect on this photo now. Again, I'll do the black and white warm, click apply, and then I can do an additional effect. I'm just moving this over so you can see this photo. So now I'm going to push sharpen and apply. Can you see that difference? It just like popped that off of the page. So definitely if you are using old photos, totally take advantage of the photo effects that MemoryMixer has. So doesn't that look a lot better? The photos are now the same and the same color, and they just look a lot sharper. You can also go in and zoom that photo in and out. If I use this little nudge photo button, I can nudge that photo around and get it exactly where I want it. So the really fun thing is kind of manipulating these photos. I can zoom in on those two little kids. Isn't that kind of cute? Because you never could really adjust an old photo and it was just in print. But when you scan it and put it into MemoryMixer, you can do anything to it that you can with a digital photo. So it's really cool. So go ahead, if you want to play around with your photos, if by chance some of you are using old photos tonight, please do that. If not, please play around with photo effects. You can change your photos up a little bit. I'd love to see what you come up with. And we'll get to this point, and then we'll add some embellishments and journaling, and we'll be done.